Hello, in this video I am going to talk about the further development of the mobile manipulator. Compared to the previous video, in this video I have now installed 2 additional vertical rods. I simply removed the nuts and bolts from the caster wheel in the rear assembly. And since the rods are the same diameters as the bolts, I simply screwed in the rods in the same hole and secured them with washers and bolt nuts. I did the same thing for this one. After that, I wanted to add some more stability so the rods would not sway as much. So I added 2 more perforated flat folded beams and 2 additional horizontal rods. And I made sure that my surfaces were level and that the rods were equal distances apart and that they were square. I've used some spanner wrenches to tighten up the nuts, and in some instances I used a ratchet and socket. I will use the horizontal surfaces as mountings and supports for components and circuitry. I can cut some plastic sheets, mount them vertically or horizontally, and ideally I would like to have all of my circuitry on the inside of this arrangement. I plan on putting a 12-volt battery in this area here to keep the balance and weight towards the center and low. Thank you for watching.